Hi again. I wanted to talk today a little about Lyme disease, which we're seeing everywhere. And I've been working with Lyme for well over 20 years, believe it or not. It's been around the Hudson Valley for a long time. And over that time, I've been treating it by supporting the body through herbs. And I got a response to someone who's been using the herbs that I sometimes use for Lyme, saying that she was having an exacerbation of symptoms. And might it be a Herxheimer reaction, which is where the body goes into a higher gear to fight the pathogen. And what I explained to her, and I encourage anyone watching this who's dealing with Lyme, to ask questions and to question these things yourself, because very often, yes, if you take things that support your immune system, that have antimicrobial qualities that can address the pathogen, we very often get an exacerbation of symptoms. It means that the Lyme is dying off and it doesn't like it, so it's fighting back. But it should be manageable. Sometimes the Herx becomes intolerable and we can lower the amount of herbs or even antibiotics, to get the body through the hard periods. And Lyme also has its own life cycle where it releases into the bloodstream in sprouts. It could be every few weeks you might get a little flare-up as the cysts that they hide in release and get the pathogens into the bloodstream. But we don't know. And this doesn't work for everyone. Herbs, we don't say cure any disease, but they support the system. So I'd like to just explain a little how I think of creating an herbal formula to support Lyme patients. Because not only do you need herbs that have been used traditionally to fight microbes, be it syphilis in the old days, which was another spirochetic disease, or other viral or bacterial invaders, but we need also, which antibiotics don't address at all, if anything, go against, supporting the immune system. So while we're creating an ability to fight the pathogens, we need to nurture the immune system so that it can better fight the pathogens itself. Our body has amazingly strong defenses, and we want to support those defenses. And thirdly, we need herbs that support the liver, the kidney, and the lymphatic, because that's the way the body filters out toxins and debris. And if you are killing these pathogens, it creates dead bodies laying around. We call it toxic matter. So we need to flush that out, and we need to support those organs that help with the flush. In a very simplistic way, that's how we address it. But it's different for different people. Different people will have different reactions. So we encourage your feedback, and it's an exploration that we're really doing together.